What is going on, y'all? So before this video gets started, me and Bucky here want to thank y'all so much for 130 something subscribers. By the time this video comes out, it's probably going to be a little bit more than that, but I want to thank y'all so much for supporting the channel, liking, subscribing, and reposting it every time I put it on my stories on all my social media platforms. I appreciate it so much. I'm just here to help y'all along the way, you know, and just give y'all a little bit of entertainment while doing it. I appreciate that y'all indulge in my everyday life of being a car guy and just being necio, you know, just being necio with cars. But hope y'all enjoy the video. Let's get into it. Cruising on down to Medina Lake right now. About to take some pictures and whatnot. Got a couple spots that I know that are really photogenic, so we're gonna try to see what we can get captured on footage. Watching this, I finally came to Spirits. Not that I'm in a rush or anything to go take pictures, but I don't think this truck is gonna make it over that little bridge coming up over the river. Bro, the bridge is right here. There's absolutely no way. Oh, did they make a different bridge? Oh, okay, I thought it was a lot smaller than what I expected it to be.
That's what she said.
Right here, this is all Paradise Canyon. This is fed right off the Medina Lake right here. I don't know if y'all can see it. What is this, a open village? What? Oh shit. The roads here are actually not that great. Only in some parts though. I think it's just on this road though. When we get to the main road, it'll be a lot better. Alright, the roads are getting severely worse now. Let's try not to pop a tire or anything because there is no signal up here for the meantime. Oh my god, what the hell is going on in front of me? Oh god, oh god. Yes, 5 miles an hour. This is nice. Oh boy. Isn't this is great. This is a great cruise. Alright, after the long journey through the danger zone, we've finally reached our destination. Well, not exactly quite yet, but that's where we're going. Alright guys, so unfortunately I couldn't really stay down there for that long. It's kind of a blind corner on each side. So I mean, if someone's hauling ass down that corner, I was parked right in the middle. They could potentially get hit or they could potentially fly off the guardrail and back into the river. So I was only there for a little bit. But we're actually up here on top of the dam. As you can tell, this is the gate to get on top of it. And walk all the way across, but this is a massive dam. And funny story, I think it was like back in 2002, 2003, I was still a little kid. But it had rained for about maybe, I want to say a good like 3 weeks straight probably, maybe 4. And the water, as you can tell, I don't know if you can tell from here how it's really down right now. But the water was literally flowing over the top almost onto the spillway on the side. And reportedly there was cracks and stuff in the dam saying that, oh, if it's gonna break, it's gonna take out Castroville and Lytle and Somerset where I live. But thankfully nothing happened, and it stopped raining and the lake went back down to normal. But little history for y'all there. picture of my blue turd up here actually a long time ago. It was a couple years back. But as you can tell, the lake is in the background, looking nice and blue like. Nice day out here. It looks a little low, you can tell like where all the white stuff from the rocks is at, where the water used to be, and gradually it's getting lower. But yeah, we're out here, took a couple pictures, and we're probably gonna take this road right in front of me up to where we used to race, actually called the 211. So we're gonna hit probably do a couple flybys, whatever, try to get it on video. Hopefully nobody steals my phone or my tripod. Oh, dancing bear cantina, that's what it's called. Okay. Welcome everybody to the 211. Where back in the day we used to race from somewhere over there all the way down here, and people would just park all along right here, and then we would kind of just end it over there. I remember we came out here during a storm one time. That was badass. It was nice and cool. There was lightning going on everywhere. It was pretty dope. To be out any longer. I need to give me some hydration in my system. Nice. I filled up this morning. It's a little bit less than a quarter of a tank, and I was in boost most of the time, sometimes, but I think it's pretty good. All right, little Callie says it's time to wrap up this video. Ain't that right, Callie? That's pretty much gonna do it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, comment below. I'll be more than happy to go drive around to all these little scenic places around San Antonio or near where I live. Remember, there's always something new to explore out there. All you gotta do is get in your car and drive. Y'all have a good day. See you in the next one. Peace.